In this video, we will show you how to fix an iPhone that lags, freezes, or even sluggish. In most cases, performance-related issues are not serious and you might be able to fix them by doing a few procedures. If you have any of these issues, the first thing you need to do is to close the apps that are left running in the background, because if there are a lot of them using your device's memory and CPU, that will always lead to performance issues. So swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop in the middle to view the apps. Now, swipe up on each preview to close them. After that, try to see if your iPhone still lags or sluggish, because if so, then you have to refresh your iPhone's memory by doing the forced restart. In most cases, this will fix performance issues. To do that, quickly press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the power key for 8 seconds. Doing so will trigger your device to shut down and power back up. When the Apple logo shows, release the power key and allow the phone to continue the boot process. After the reboot, try to see if your iPhone is still lagging or freezing, because if it still does, then you have to check the storage and the firmware. To do that, launch Settings. Scroll down a bit and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage and check if your device is running low on space. If it is, then delete some of your pictures, videos, or uninstall some unused apps. After that, go back to the previous screen and tap Software Update. Wait for your iPhone to finish checking for an update. If there's one available, download and install it. After making sure there's enough storage and that the firmware is updated, try to see if the problem is fixed. If the iPhone is still lagging or freezing after that, then what you have to do next is to reset all its settings. Doing so will bring all the settings back to their factory defaults without deleting any of your files and data. To do that, launch Settings. Scroll down a bit and tap General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Touch Reset and select Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Tap Reset All Settings at the bottom of the screen, and then tap the same option to confirm. Your iPhone will reboot, but once it's ready, try to see if the problem is already fixed, because if not, then you have to factory reset your device. The factory reset will fix any performance issues you might have with your iPhone. However, make sure to create a backup of your important stuff. Once ready, launch Settings again, and then tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase All Content and Settings at the bottom of the screen. Tap Continue and enter your passcode if prompted. If you're done with the backup, just tap Skip Backup. Now enter your Apple ID password and tap Turn Off at the top right corner. After the reset, set up your iPhone as a new device and it should work properly and smoothly after that. We hope that this simple troubleshooting guide can help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.